our subject is the dark matter. What is the dark matter? Recently, astronomers and scientists had defined the dark matter as the unseen, unfelt, and unsensed matter and power that bind and hold all planets orbiting their stars, the stars orbiting their galaxies, and the galaxies orbiting cluster of galaxies. So that power holds them all in their proposed place in their orbits and controls their movements and orbiting speed. So the scientists and astronomers had realized that without this unseen power, which called the dark matter, our universe will collapse and vanish. So let's see the definition of dark matter in their words. Let's have a look.
Today, we're finding that space, in fact, has a character. All its own. Astrophysicists have calculated the gravitational pull needed to bind stars as they orbit a galaxy, or galaxies as they orbit a cluster of galaxies. And they've found that there is simply nowhere near enough visible matter out there to hold these structures together. The missing ingredient, its identity still unknown, they call dark matter. In supercomputer simulations of cosmic evolution, dark matter is added in to supply the gravitational tug needed to form the web of filaments and walls, voids, and dense clusters we see in the universe at large. But something else appears to be happening on these large scales. Astronomers have been making refined measurements of the cosmic expansion rate with a new type of distance marker. And they wanted to know if gravity was slowing down the pace at which the universe is spreading out. But what they found comes as a shock. The markers they used, type 1a supernovae, are thought to burn at uniform intensities throughout the universe. By measuring changes in the brightness of these so-called standard candles at various distances, the researchers have been hunting for changes in the rate at which the cosmos is expanding. They have shown that while local regions of the universe are drawing together, the universe as a whole is not only expanding, it's accelerating outward. The culprit is thought to be energy welling up from the vacuum of space, similar to what occurred in the early moments of the Big Bang, causing cosmic inflation.
So the astronomers and scientists were completely right to think that there should be something powerful hold and keep all the objects in our universe to continue in their functioning and harmonial existence. But it is absolutely stupidity and irrational for them to think that that unseen and unfelt and unsensed material, which they call dark matter, is keeping the universe in order. Of course, there is a power holding the structure of our universe and controlling every object in it, and that power is the continuous will and power of our God, Allah, the creator of our universe. Allah says in one of the verses in the Quran, إن الله يمسك السماوات والارض أن تزولا. This means that Allah holds the skies and earth from vanishing away. Allah also says in other verse, وسع كرسيه السماوات والارض ولا يؤده حفظهما. It means His throne contains all the skies and universe with all their contents, of course. It is not tiring him to maintain and keep them in order. Allah also says, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَن تَقُومَ السَّمَاءُ وَالارض بامره. This means one of the signs indicating and identifying Him, identifying Allah, is that the earth and the skies are kept in existence and in functioning order by His will and order. So what they meant by the dark matter, it is the power of God, but because they don't believe in God, they're just trying to assume something which is irrational, which like means nothing, because unseen, unfelt and unsensed matter, which they call dark matter, is something not exist, is not complete nothing, which is, they are wrong. It's the power of God, Allah, the great creator. Bye for now.